Michael Hall, Angie Baby, Manuel, Raquel. Ooh.
Oh,
What the heck is just, I think somebody just hit us. We are staying here at the Luxor Pyramids in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip for the first time, and we're staying in one of their newly renovated king rooms here.
And many really enjoy the Luxor Tower for a good value spot here on the Strip, but with the new renovations, it's a time to reconsider the pyramid.
Yeah, and a lot of you have actually asked us to check out the pyramids, so that's what we're gonna do. And there's a lot to explore, so let's start with the room tour and then check out the rest of the spot. Woo! Welcome to one of the newly renovated rooms here at the Luxor Pyramid. So let's just kick this right off, you guys. Let's take you right into El Baño. Check it out. Now the shower, although decently remodeled, has a small flaw. It's really hard not to get the floor soaking wet because of the way they designed it. Well, hopefully they'll make an adjustment for that, or they'll need to give you a whole bunch of towels. So Dave, what do you think of that bathroom?
Well, everything looks new and clean.
Yeah, I have to agree. New and clean. The only thing missing for us is that dual vanity and that bathtub, because you know, we like to take baths after those long walks on the Strip. Well, I will say this, the furniture looks pretty solid. I like the way it looks. I like the way they lay things out. It almost reminds us a little bit of the Bellagio, like the old Bellagio stuff, right, Dave?
It does. Good quality, though.
That's true. It does have good quality. But yes, it's a nice sized desk. That is kind of crazy and cool, but it works in the scheme of this room. So let's quickly talk about something, you guys. So a lot of the reviews we've read, and even some of you said you didn't like the pyramids because of the way the room's angled. I can honestly tell you from just sitting in this section, it doesn't really bother us that much. Dave is like 6'2". It almost feels more of a lounge area. So I'm not sure what the setup was before to make you feel that, but it feels like a reading nook in a greenhouse.
Yeah, but in a good way.
But in a good way. All right, you guys. Well, I'll tell you, the bed does look comfortable, but the only real true way to determine its comfortability is what, Dave?
Well, that's the bed test, of course.
That's right, y'all. It's time for the bed test. Well, the bed is definitely comfortable. I will say that. The only thing missing is the extra pillow. Oh my God! Where's my gosh darn extra pillow?
Now, the pyramid hallway is pretty long and dark. And also the wall here isn't too high. If you're afraid of heights, you know, you might feel a little fearful looking over here, but it's really cool down there. Take a look at the food court. And also just look at all that design. Wait, what is that?
I'm starving! Oh, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go, Dave.
Here we go. Welcome to the Tower of Terror elevators here at Luxor.
Literally.
They're crazy. They're like a ride. They go a little sideways on the way down.
So it's like an inclinator
Yes.
versus an elevator.
It's a little different. A little shake, rattle, and roll.
Yeah, and we've heard this one on the far right is the one that really gives you a Disney Tower of Terror
Let's
ride
see if we can get
experience.
it. Let's see if we can get it.
Yikes. Whoa, look at the Blue Man Group. Box office is right there. Oh.
Oh, this is it.
Dave, we really got this one.
We got the Tower of Terror.
Oh.
Shake and bake.
My gosh. Tower of Terror.
Here we go.
Oh, God.
Oh, no. Here we go.
Oh.
Get on down.
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Seriously? Seriously. Ooh, guys, seriously. Here we
don't
go.
know.
Watch this. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, gee. Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
No kidding. Look at that. Oh. Tower of Terror.
We're like vibrating in here.
Look at that. That is no joke. Now, the Luxor pool area called the Oasis was very nice. You know, not knowing much about the Luxor pool, we were pleasantly surprised. They have 4 large sections of pool area, and according to Luxor, their pool deck is one of the largest in Las Vegas. Now, we found the perfect spot to just relax a bit while enjoying our pina coladas. So we got our pina coladas here, and guess what? There's actually 4 pools, okay? And 2 are open.
That's right. There's one in the back we did not see that is full of kids.
Full of kids, just
Yes.
frolicking in the water. But we got our pina colada.
Here we go.
Yum, yum. Give me some.
Here you go.
Here you go. Now, since the pool area closes at 6 p.m. currently, and we had reservations for later on this evening, we had some time to kill. So, we thought we'd enjoy the Las Vegas Strip from a different perspective.
Oh, it's really cool.
Viva Las Vegas!
Viva Las Vegas! Absolutely.
Driving in this 3-wheeler called the Vanderhall and seeing the Las Vegas Strip from this perspective was pretty amazing. Felt like riding in a fancy go-kart. Well, one that could go very, very, very fast. We were having such a magical evening until Michael Hall, Angie baby, Manuel, Raquel.
Oh, shit. You have to pull over.
Hold on a second,
Hold on,
you guys. What the heck is just, I think somebody just hit us.
Pull over.
Hold on, don't even move. I mean, really? At a stoplight? Let's just say, thank God, no one was hurt and we were able to enjoy the rest of our evening.
Start it up.
welcome to Rera. This is a really cool spot.
Very cool. I just love this back room we're in too.
Yeah.
Really quiet. A lot of great artifacts and things on the wall.
And of course, you know what we are having tonight because you just scoped it out before we even got here.
Yeah. I mean, they're known, of course, for their fish and chips.
Yeah.
They serve just, I don't know how much,
like
but just
tons,
like
units,
a million units. So,
wow.
Gotta be fish and chips.
Yeah.
Right? And they have a great, and we love lamb burgers. They have a great lamb burger. We're gonna try that as well. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, I'm really excited. And to kick things off, you know, always we tend to start off with more of that old-fashioned, right? But tonight we just felt like because we're going for the fish and chips and you're going for the burger, you gotta have the beer.
And I'm just happy because they actually told us what it is right on.
Yeah, it's a Smith Mix Red Ale.
There it is.
Just like our server said, it's got that rich red color, but it goes down smooth like the wimpy beers we like.
Yes.
So just for those of you interested in checking out this place, Rera is kind of located in between Mandalay Bay and Luxor. It's sort of like the Mandalay
place. Exactly. You just kind of walk on through. It's closer to Mandalay Bay, but yeah, very convenient to both Luxor and Mandalay Bay. This place is super popular too, so make reservations, especially Wednesday through Sunday when they have live music, because it's loud and having a lot of fun in here. So.
Absolutely, I will drink to that.
And they're actually going Tuesday through Sunday pretty soon for live music. So.
And that must be because of the rollback. And maybe think about this. That 100% is right around the corner.
Exactly.
Cheers. You've gone with the traditional fish and chips, as we mentioned earlier, and the price for that one is $23.25. That's interesting, $23.25.
$23.25.
Yes, and then the Dubliner burger, which I am ready to sink my teeth into, was a whopping $15.25. But certainly not cheap, but the vibe and the atmosphere and the live music with good food and beer.
Very cool. Makes you want to dance a little bit.
Oh, let's do it. Start it up.
This is lit.
We should just.
We're just gonna take these forks and knives and move them on to the side.
I think we should just dive
right
on into this crispy fish. How's that?
Oh wow. This is excellent.
That's
really
so
good. It's so moist. Just light, flaky fish, but perfectly cooked. The batter is really, I love the batter.
It's not super bready.
It's not
It's like just the right amount of bread on top of that, a nice little crunch to it, but there's so much meat to that fish.
So good.
Oh my gosh.
And of course the tartar sauce is just perfect.
We'll be back to you in just a second. Oh.
Here we go.
Pick your weapon. Wow, Dave, that looks delicious.
Yeah, this one has like goat cheese, or I'm not sure if that's the curry
That's like
aioli.
the goat cheese, and then you see the curry aioli sauce right on there.
Yeah.
Ooh, and it's rosemary infused inside of that as well. So, ooh.
Can't wait. We love lamb burgers. So
Cheers.
let's go. Dive in. Wow, that was really good.
Wow. There is so much flavor
Yes.
coming out of that lamb burger. I don't even know where to start. There's just like a burst of like flavors all in my mouth.
Yeah, I mean, you really taste that rosemary lamb. Just excellent. Incredibly, we had it cooked medium, incredibly moist, very good. But I taste that goat cheese.
Yes.
Goat cheese really kind of comes on strong.
And the aioli sauce too.
Yeah.
The curry aioli. There's like you can definitely taste the curry aspect in that, but I think the rosemary and that
It tastes that rosemary.
that curry combination.
Yeah.
It's a real nice flavor, and it's true to medium. That was made medium.
Yeah.
To perfection. Say it with me. I like the sound of that. All right, so we are trying our hand here at Luxor, and we're gonna do something a little different tonight. What are we doing?
That's right. We're going to do 2 slot machines, 10 pulls each.
2 slots, 10 pulls each, and first up is Lightning Link. Woo!
We're going to put in our winnings.
From last time.
There we go.
All right, put those.
Whoa, what happened?
Hey, I'm just telling you.
All right.
Hope they said no.
It's rejecting
Rejected.
it. Too low.
Oh, it's rejecting it. There it goes.
There we go. We're ready to go. 34 cents. All right, here we go. 250.
Here
All
we
set, baby.
go.
Come on, bring it. Number 2.
Here we go, 3. Ooh,
Ooh, wow.
liking that. Here we go, 4.
Number 4. 3. Oh. Oh. That's 6 coming up.
Ooh.
Oh, what do we got here?
Ooh.
All right.
Alright, a little something there. Little 550 win.
All right.
What do we got?
What do we got, Lacey? Number 7. Here we go. 1,
2,
2, 3. Oh.
Oh boy. Woo, welcome to Las Vegas. Little $1.50. Here
Yeah.
we go. Number 8.
Come on, bring it.
Oh man.
What do we got?
Nice
All right.
350
All right.
Dave.
Look
Number
at
9.
Number 9. Here we go. 2 more. Come on. Let's get something.
Ooh, and 10. What? That was weird.
All right.
That was 10.
All right, 10.
Moving on to the next
Moving
one.
on.
All right, next up here is one of our favorite machines.
That's right. Wicked Wheel Hot Stuff. And look at that grand. I mean, 31,000 grand. That thing needs to burst. Come on.
Come on.
Number 2.
All right.
Come on. Number 3.
4. All right.
Come on. Number 6. Here we go.
Come on. Turn it up, hot stuff.
Come on, Hot Stuff. Number 7.
Number 8.
Number 8. Come on, Hot Stuff.
Line them up, hot stuff. Don't be fast. Number 10.
Number 10. Here we go. Come on, let's do it.
All right, there she goes. And there we go. So overall, our experience here at the Luxor was okay. I mean, our room definitely, I was surprised at how comfortable this room really was.
Yeah, so we actually like it. The pyramid renovated rooms are nice. Now we don't love the hallways. A little bit smoky, a little bit dark, and
Yeah.
those elevators are kind of crazy.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Those inclinators kind of on the side there for sure.
And busy too.
And very
Packed,
busy.
yeah.
It can get really busy even during the check-in time, so that's something to really be mindful of. Now, if you are going to stay here from the mixed reviews, highly recommend trying to stay in one of these rooms here versus in the older rooms, which you've heard have not changed since the 90s. So
Yeah, it's crazy.
keep that in mind for sure. And take a second if you haven't done so. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. Thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas!
and maybe at the Luxor newly renovated rooms.
Ew! Ew!
After all that food and being so stuffed,
All right.
it's time for us to do something.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Drink.
Drink it.
Hey, you know what?
I don't
That
know.
was really good.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You really think so?
That was good.
You know.